Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker from the Netherlands, and I would love to show you these German beauties. A Lange Söhne, Ferdinand Adolf Lange and Söhne, from Glashutte in Saxony. This is absolutely stunning work, and I would like to show you, well, how delicate it is, how refined, and then the execution on the other side. Because in a moment I'll show you under the microscope, but how it is designed and made is just out of this world. First, there's so much going on here on the dial. Here is a second time zone. This is the normal time. This is 24-hour dial, so you can see when it's dark. Second, here the power reserve date, but it's a big date. So if you see the 2 and the 1 are in a different alignment or height, there are 2 discs revolving, one for them and one for them, and so you don't have to put them right there or in a disc in a radius. You can place the date then anywhere. Beautiful, beautiful design. Well, there the double fader house, so 2 mainsprings. There the power reserve, and here you can see all the names. You can switch from time zone. So you see the outer ring, so now it's on Tokyo time, and you saw the hour hand moving as well. How cool is that? So you want to show the inside? Want to see the inside? It is just stunning work. And in a moment, the other one, the perpetual calendar, is just wow. Real love for the craft, as I think. It's from Glashutte, tiny village in Saxony. And if you go there, they've got a beautiful museum, a watchmaking museum. But if you got the time, can spare the time, have a look at the graveyard behind the museum. It's the who is who of German watchmaking. A Lange is there as well. You get a real feel for history if you visit the cemetery in Glashutte. Just the execution, okay, it's nice, it's beautiful, it really is. But then one deeper, well, in my view, if you have a look, well, that's a plate and that's a plate, but if you see the line between, it is so well done and even and beautiful with the anglage. Those are the tips of the pivots, highly, highly, highly polished. And then it is like ornamental. Here, beautiful cock with the hand engraving. There as well, the swan neck regulator. The swan neck simply is a spring, so that is pushing the timing pins that way. So because there is some counter force with this screw, really is, you can change the position of those timing pins ever so slightly, so you can time your watch even more accurate. That's the whole idea about the swan neck regulator. It's just a spring for counter tension. And here just the highly polished plate for the escape wheel. no space in between the highly polished plate and the other part. It is just stunning everywhere you look. Fuumvlagen gereguleerd. Prachtig. And then we don't have too many Lange Söhnes in the workshop, but now this one. It is the Perpetual calendar. Saxomatic, it's a bit of fun for the automatic, but from Saxony. But if you have a look at the big date, again, 2 discs revolving. The second hand, in a moment I'll show you under the microscope the moon phase, but the moon, how deep the gloss is just insane. They're tiny, the leap year, 1, 2, 3, 4, the month, day, and the 24-hour dial. And it isn't clouded or very busy, it is just a beautiful watch. The other one, of course, was gold. This one, if you feel it, it is real heavy. Platinum. It's not steel, it is platinum. And then, of course, the inside. And there's again so much more to tell. Just the rotor. Now it is looking beautiful, but I'll show you under the microscope. There is so much more going on, and that is the real luxury feel for this brand. And again, the finishing, perlage down there, lovely engraving, but then just the rotor is so much work. Rotor, of course, automatic winding, so it's a weight and always goes down to there or there, and during the revolution it winds the movement. But you need some weight on the outside for the rotor to move. You need a bit of weight, and just on the outside. And now, and this is starting to get silly. There you see 21K. So the top of the rotor, 21 karat gold, because it's beautiful to engrave. You don't have to coat it, and it stays lovely, bright, luxurious. But then, already says there, platine. The outside of the rotor is platinum, just for the added weight. If it was gold, it would have been heavy. But now it's platinum, even a bit more heavier. It is just, and here, the depth of the letters. The A, the letters are a bit more raised, and in between the letters it's just tapped to make the contrast. That is flawless polishing. And there. Again, now you now you see immediately the swan neck regulator with the screw, hand engraved. It is really something else. Just the depth and the execution of a beautiful design. And again here, how even it is there. That is so high skill machining. Beautiful blued screws. Let's salivate over this one. So just wanted to show you that these watches are so beautifully designed. They're not busy, they're just elegant, but there is so much going on that it is just haute horlogerie, high horology. It is beautiful. Really hope you enjoyed just a bit more in-depth view in these beautiful Lange Söhnes, and hope to see you soon. See ya. Bye bye.